Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a trading video and I hope you enjoy, so let's get started. Guys, I love my fidgets, but I'm just going to go to Trading Hub because I'm just getting kind of sick of these, so we're going to try and get good stuff, I guess. Try not to get scammed. Okay, so let's see who we can find. Oh my god, guys, I just saw that girl say she is trying to look for somebody rich. I have this RMS dumpling, but secretly, there's nothing inside. But we're going to say it has the pink holographic one in it and see what we can do. Okay, let's go ask her to trade. Hi, can we fidget trade? Sure. I already have an RMS dumpling, but unless it's a different color, but sure, I'll trade with you. This is not just an ordinary RMS dumpling. This is the pink holographic one. So you need to add, it's so rare, the 1% chance of getting it. So add a lot. Oh my god, no way, a glitter dumpling? Oh my god, I have to get my hands on that. Okay, yeah, I will do a really good offer. You better. Jeez, okay. For that, I will give you the RMS dumpling and how about, my better butter, because this is also really rare. You're gonna need to add, what is that? Oh, okay, I understand, because that's a glitter dumpling. How about, I really love this, but it's a glitter dumpling. This really, really cute designed bear, really good. Oh yeah, guys, just saying, if you hear rain or a plane in the background, just ignore it. This looks like an airport near my house, so just ignore it because it's raining currently. Are you being serious? What is that? Add. Oh, okay. What about my potato slush ball? It's really, really good. It's exactly like the Squeeze Look one, and I'll also give you to match with the butter. And the yellow theme. What about this? It's sticky too. It's really slow rising butter, and no, I never seen anyone else with this, so I think that's a good offer. Oh my god, guys, these are also good, but I could get way more. Add. Okay, fine. I'll also give you my crunchy pudding. Listen. And it's crunchy and crunchy orange. She's probably gonna ask me for me to add this, even though I had to glue it. It popped. I think that's good. Add so much more. This is the glitter dumpling. You can find these anywhere. You can't buy this online, but you can buy any of these online. So add. Okay, well, I can't add anything more that you can't get online. So, and you can get it on eBay to mention, but whatever. But this is my last thing, and oh my god. Whatever. But this is my last thing, so you have to accept. Oh, fine. I guess you're giving me a lot of stuff. I accept, I guess. Thank goodness, this is a lot of stuff. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's so rare. Open it when you get home and stuff. So, thank you. Oh my god, we need to leave. And thank you. Oh, they already left. Well, okay, I don't really want to open it when I'm home, so let's open it now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. Guys, I just traded all of my stuff thinking it was going to be the pink holographic dumpling. I'm so angry. I can't even report them or nothing. What do I do? I'm just going to try and trade with someone else and see if they'll give me something for free. I don't know. Oh, guys, they already left. I don't even know their username. This is so annoying. Oh my god, guys, no way. These are the only other people in Trading Hub. No way I'm going to be able to trade with them. Let's go trade with them first and see. Hi, can we fidget trade? I just got scammed. Could you give me something little for free? I could give you this dumpling case. I guess you could scam with it if you want. Oh my god, actually, I was actually trying to like trade for dumpling, guys, because I've been wanting to scam today. Don't tell anyone. But you can just have all like my Nitos and Big Dumpling for free. Like, I don't even like any of these, so here you go. Oh my god, really? Thank you so much. Yeah, there's your dumpling case. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. No way. That girl just traded that girl for a dumpling case. What? I'm gonna go and try and trade them now. By the way, guys, I don't know if this person already said can we fidget trade, but I'm just gonna say it again just in case. Can we fidget trade? Sure, I just got all these, but I guess we could fidget trade. Okay, what would you like to offer for? Can I offer for like all of your stuff? I guess, sure. There. Okay, I'm actually just gonna give you all my stuff because all my stuff is matching and so is all your stuff. And this is a dream drop, a crunchy butter. Listen. Really, really good crunch. The nice cube, the dumpling, and the blue slime ball. But that means you would have to add because this is, I know this is homemade, but it's really properly glued and it's exactly like the tie-dye dumplings and it's really, really good and slow rising and the crunchy butter. Like, come on, you're gonna need to add. But this is literally like 3 Nitos and you only have 2 Nitos in there. Like, I know, but Nito is like, when you think about it, they're just like a brand that creates squishies and they're just really viral at the minute. But they're like regular sugar squishies and this is a crunchy squishy that I bet like you don't have. So you need to add at least one thing. Okay, I'll go hunting for a purple dumpling, I guess. 2 hours later. Okay, this took a long time to find an RMS dumpling. So you're going to have to accept this because I'm not adding. Like, this is RMS, purple and a jumbo dumpling. I just, like, honestly, you need to add, but I'm going to be nice. You don't have to. Oh my god, no way. Okay, I accept if you do. Yeah, I accept. Oh my god, I want to... Oh, okay, but I'm just going to take these now. Thank you. There's all your stuff. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh, I accidentally hit recording, guys. Sorry. This video kind of turned out to be a flop. Oops. Okay, honestly, I like that trade because I got a dream drop that looks barely used. And then, like, oof, that was so worth it. Yes. Okay, guys. I love that trade. That was so good. Okay, guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm sorry that I kept like not recording at the right time, but yeah. Bye.